HP 17T laptop Real Talk. Touchscreen and 32 gigabytes of memory actually feels like cheating.
Picture this. Sunday, 11:47 p.m. You've got 47 tabs open, Excel is choking, and your current laptop sounds like a jet engine about to die. You're stressed, tired, and already dreading Monday. That used to be me every single week. Type same in the comments if Sunday nights still ruin your vibe. Go ahead, I'm waiting.
That tight knot in your chest when the spinning wheel of death shows up? Oh, I feel it. But imagine never feeling that panic again. No more force-quitting apps. No more apologizing on Zoom calls because your laptop froze. Stay with me for just 30 more seconds, and I'll show you the machine that quietly ends all of that chaos.
Here's the accidental breakthrough. The HP 17T laptop with 32 gigabytes of random access memory and a massive 17.3-inch touchscreen. I'm not kidding. This thing swallowed 65 Chrome tabs, Spotify, 3 Excel sheets with 200,000 rows each, Slack, Zoom, and Photoshop, and never even broke a sweat. The 1 terabyte solid-state drive boots Windows in under 8 seconds. Apps open instantly, and the 11th generation i5 with Iris Xe graphics keeps everything buttery smooth. The touchscreen is stupidly handy. You'll catch yourself pinching to zoom on spreadsheets like it's an iPad. Backlit keyboard glows perfectly for those 2 a.m. grind sessions. My buddy Mike, a tax accountant, almost missed a client deadline last year because his old laptop crashed at 1:47 a.m. He switched to the HP 17T laptop that night, reopened everything in under 10 minutes, finished the return, and actually slept. That's when it clicks. This isn't just a laptop, it's freedom. Here's what actually happens when you start using it. You stop closing tabs out of fear. You stop apologizing for lag on calls. You stop squinting at tiny screens. You just work, and it feels effortless. Tech reviewer site PC Mag called this exact config a multitasking monster that eliminates slowdowns entirely. A hardware analyst I trust said the 32 gigabytes of random access memory upgrade is the killer feature most brands are scared to offer at this price. Real user @Sarah the Analyst wrote, "I run virtual machines, 100 plus tabs, and massive data sets. My old 16 gigabyte machine cried. The HP 17T laptop just laughs. I'll be straight. My biggest hesitation was the HD plus resolution on a 17-inch screen. I was wrong. Text is razor sharp, colors pop for movies, and the real estate is addictive. Yeah, it's big, but if you're at a desk or on the couch, it's perfect. Thousands of us won't shut up about it right now for one simple reason. It removes the friction we all forgot we were living with. Drop a like if you're starting to feel the relief already." So here's the deepest win. You get your Sunday nights back. You get your confidence back. You get to focus on the work instead of fighting the machine. Join the thousands of us who finally have a computer that keeps up with real life. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Full disclosure right up front. Just click it, check the exact config, and grab it if it feels right. No pressure, no fake countdowns. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, see you on the inside.